In this particular question, we have a uniform rod of length L and mass M and is hinged at its upper end and rest is at that moment in a vertical plane. A current I flows in it. A uniform magnetic field B exists perpendicular to the rod in the horizontal direction as can be seen. Find the force exerted by the hinge on the rod just after release. So, how much force hinge is exerting, that we need to find. First of all, let us take an element dx at a distance x from the hinge. So, force on this particular element due to current through it can be obtained. dF is equal to I dx cross B, or that is equal to I dx is dx into j cap cross minus b k cap, that is equal to I dx b into minus j cross k. Minus j cross k, so I dx b into minus I cap. So here the force is in this particular direction, df force is along negative x axis. So torque on this rod due to this force about the hinge d tau is equal to x df, that is equal to I b x dx. This is the torque on this particular rod, on this particular element. So total torque on the rod, tau is equal to integration d tau, that is equal to I b integration x dx 0 to L, that is equal to half I b L square. This is the torque on the rod. Due to this torque, the rod will start rotating about the point O. So this is equal to I alpha, or angular acceleration alpha is equal to I b L square by twice of I. The moment of inertia of the rod about this hinge point is I b L square by twice of ml square by 3, and that is equal to 3 IB by 2m. This is the angular acceleration. So acceleration of the center of mass, ACM is equal to alpha into L by 2. So this is equal to 3 ILB by 4m. This is the acceleration of the center of mass. Now due to the weight, now we consider the forces. Weight is acting downward, that is equal to mg. Due to current in the rod by the magnetic field, there is a force that is equal to ILB, and rest is the hinge force. And as we can see, the rod is not accelerating in vertical plane, so vertical component of hinge force, vertical component of hinge force is mg j cap, it is in upward direction, and the horizontal component of hinge force, the horizontal component is ILB minus MA, as the center of mass is accelerating with A. So this is equal to ILB minus 3/4 of ILB that is 1/4 ILB, and as it can be seen that the horizontal component is directed rightward, it is ILB by 4, and vertical component is directed upward, this is mg. So the hinge force vertical component is mg and horizontal component is ILB.